Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can set up your alarm in any of your iPhone. What you need to do is you just need to go to the clock app, for example like this, and just need to tap on the clock app and an interface like this will come up. Now if you see in the bottom, you see there are four options: world clock, alarms, stopwatch and timer. You just need to tap on your alarm section and it will blink it like the orange scene, and an interface like this will come up. Now if you see that there is a plus button here which adds your alarm on a specific time. If you haven't set up any early alarm or any previous alarm, you just need to tap on this positive sign like this, and a screen like this will come up. On the left corner, this is the R section. For example, if you want to put any of the R, for example in my case, let's put the alarm of 7 a.m. and this is the minute section, 7 a.m. and here I can select the AM PM option. Now the nature of the alarm, it gives us four options, for example repeat, label, sound and snooze mode. So if I want it to repeat, I have some options here, every Sunday, Monday, or I can select any of the option or never. I can label this alarm, for example school time for kids. Like I have school time for kids, it will tell me that it's the school time for kids. And another, I have the option of giving the specific sound to the alarm. For example in my case, I have selected this because it's quite loud, and I have also enabled the sneeze mode and I put the save button. So that's how my school time for kids is actually on, and in my time I can actually set it as I want it on every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so that's how you can fix on which day you want it to be repeated, or in which day you want it to be like give you an alarm update. So that's how you can do this. I hope this video help out in setting up the alarm option, and if you still have any other question or if you wanted to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next video, bye bye.